So I want to do a video showing you guys how I make over $300 a day, in the entire process. Right now, I'm dealing with technical difficulties. So my ring light broke, my computer doing a diagnostic. I had to set up my webcam and my new microphone, but long story short, I'm gonna show you guys how it's done. Now, as of right now, it is June 30th, 2022, and it is 8:48 a.m. You can see it right here. I have made one sale, which is, and I'm holding this ring light right now. I have made one sale, which is $79.99. So my goal is to make 2 more sales at that price, plus a one-on-one call, which is $199. So as soon as my computer stopped being crazy and I duct taped this ring light so that I'm not holding it the entire video, I'm going to hop on Clubhouse. I'm going to hop on TikTok Live, and I'm going to stream myself on YouTube. And I'm going to be on 3 social media platforms at one time. This is going to be my first time actually doing this. So let's see if I can close, anywhere between $450 before 10 o'clock. And I think it can be done. I'm going to only be on live for 30 minutes. That is my goal. I may go over that, but my goal is 30 minutes. And in that 30 minutes, knock out what I need to knock out for my goal. So let's see how I go. I'll get back with you guys. I'm about to run the Dollar General to get this duct tape, and then I'll come back, set everything up. You won't see the actual me on live or anything like that, but I'm just going to show you my numbers and the timestamp so you can know how long it took me to close $450 a day. So I told y'all I had a late start, but I closed out at $357, and it is 12:03. Look at the time. Let me also show y'all what I made so you can know that I'm not BSing on this app. Again, there's money to be made on TikTok, and you got to lock in with me if you're ready to do that, okay? This is today. 35794. That it happened. As you can see, that says 8 o'clock, and then, by 11 a.m., at 11 a.m., I made 229, and at 8 a.m., I made 79. Okay, time frames. And for the month, it's June 30th, closing out the month. We had $10,745.20. It can happen. Are you ready to take action? Lock in with me. Links in the bio.